Moo Moo, what are you doing? What is it that you're doing? Here, Mummy help. Look. Ready? Go. Show Mummy. How do you walk? Show Mummy. No, you're not having the drawers. Look, ready? Go. Oh, she's so clever. Oh, she's so clever. Oh. Can you hear the washing machine? Scarlett. You want to have a look at the washing machine? She's got red cheeks and a rash from her immunisations. Moo Moo. Say hi, Auntie Bonnie. Hi. Hello. Hello, beautiful girl. You just look at the washing machine. Look, let's go this way. Ready? Go. Who cares about washing machines? Go. Ready? Can you come to Mum? Scarlett. Come to Mum. Scarlett. You can hear the washing machine, can't you? Hello, Baba. Oh, where's she going? Where's she going? Scarlett. You can just hear the washing machine, can't you? Where have you got to? Moosey, Moosey. I'm going to have to close the laundry door in a minute. Look, ready, go. Go. Woohoo! Who's that? Who's that? Who's that in the mirror? Is that you? Hey? Ew, don't look at Mum.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Moo Moo. Oh, you're bogged. Can you hear the boys outside? You want to get out? Hey Moo, show Auntie Bonnie your trick. Ready? Moo Moo. Look at Mummy. Ready? Do you want to get out? Scarlett. Say no. Can you say no? Can you say no? No. No. Look at you, you're filthy with your lunch all over you. Or afternoon tea. Are you getting cranky because I'm blocking you? Okay, go. Go on then. Okay, say bye, Annie Bonnie. Say bye-bye. 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 Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Go on. Bye-bye. Crash.